Absence from work in Scotland today costs the economy millions. Businesses need to manage their absence to ensure they're getting the full productivity from their staff.
For the business, there are knock-on costs of overtime for people that are filling in for the staff member that's off sick. There's also sick pay costs and also reputational risks of the wrong person being in the wrong job.
Employers should be concerned about absence from work because it may be related to an incident at work and therefore a loss of production, a loss of service delivery, an impact upon the work itself. Clearly there's an impact upon the individual and that will be of concern. And the third area is it may well be unauthorised. So if it's unauthorised, it's very difficult to plan.
It's sometimes really difficult for a workplace to tell why their staff are off absent. If a workplace doesn't have a very good absence management recording tool, then sometimes it can be recorded as absent from work, but the workplace won't know why.
Staff are absent from work for a variety of reasons. They can be absent due to genuine ill health reasons. They can be absent due to looking after sick children, appointments at doctors, appointments at hospitals, for a variety of different reasons.
Well, it's really important to track absence levels in the workplace and also to lay out the understanding to managers and to staff about what is acceptable. So a really good way to do that is to form a policy on absence. Policies can be developed by engaging unions, staff members, managers and employers. A policy, once it's developed, will lay out the rules and regulations around absence and recording of absence. Hopefully, once you introduce a policy, you will also have training for managers and you'll have awareness raising sessions for staff, so everybody will be really aware about what is expected of them around their absence levels.
In terms of an employer dealing with attendance or absence, what becomes important is they need to monitor attendance, and that should indicate whether there are any trends that are an issue. All the authorised areas are normally not an issue, it's the unauthorised. And in terms of that, what is really crucial is that line managers need to feel competent and confident in dealing with colleagues who may be taking or are involved with unauthorised absence. And what they will also operate is the return to work policy, because that's quite integral of what is required for attendance management.
Well, the best way to reduce absence in a workplace is to prevent it. Lots of people say prevention's better than cure.
There's a number of ways to reduce absence. One of those being to train your managers in how to manage absence, especially around when to refer to occupational health services.
Ways to reduce absence from work can include simple measures in the workplace, such as asking the employee can they carry out their duties at home, referring them on to occupational health for more advice and information on their absence, referring them on to counselling services to support the absence.
Changing working hours, changing working practices and work equipment. The use of vocational rehabilitation programs which can help employees and employees work together to manage the attendance. There's no one size fits all, so they must choose the right methods for them.